Hi, this is Jeff from the Retriever Nation. Now, if you're like me and you're always on the go, sometimes you need a quick snack. And for me, that's a smoked egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to make cold smoked, hard-boiled eggs. And it's really easy. You don't need a smoker, all you need is a grill, and you don't even have to turn it on. We're going to use a product called the Amazing Smoke Tube. It's really easy. For this project, all you need is a smoke tube, which I bought at Lowe's for about $25, wood pellets, and you can choose hickory, cherry, maple, or any blend, and hard-boiled eggs. So all we have to do is add our wood pellets, and today we're using hickory, but you can use any flavor you want. Pack it into our smoke tube the best we can. Set it on the grill. And I found that the best way to light this is a torch. Now we'll let that kind of smolder for about 5 minutes. Make sure the smoke is really going. Then we'll put our eggs in here and we'll close it down. Okay, it's been 3 or 4 minutes and the smoke is really starting to billow out of my smokestacks. I'm using a Holland grill, and like I said, it's not on, and I'm just kind of plugging up these filters or these smokestacks so that I can get a lot of smoke staying in here and it'll come out the very end. So last night I hard boiled some eggs and peeled them so they're all ready to go. They're ready to eat. I'm just going to set them in here next to the smoke tube. Now there's really no heat generating off this, it's just cold smoke. You don't want to continue cooking eggs that have already been hard cooked. We'll just line them up there on the grill. And this should last about 6 hours. So I'm going to let that smoke until I don't see any more smoke coming out the top. So you can see a lot of smoke coming out of those smokestacks there. This is a pretty tight seal. I left one side kind of open so that the smoke can come out. These things are going to get a lot of smoke penetrating through those eggs. Okay, we are about 2 hours into this smoking process for the eggs, and it smells amazing. You can see they're starting to get a yellow tint to them, a smoky color. We're about halfway through the smoke tube, so maybe it'll only be 4 or 5 hours, but they smell amazing. We'll keep that closed, and I won't open it up till it's done. Okay, it's been about 5 hours. Smoke is done. Look at those beautiful eggs. Wow. They look amazing. We better cut one open and show you. Beautiful. You can see that nice smoke ring around the inside there. Perfect. Now this egg I boiled for about 7 minutes for those of you that don't like drier eggs. And it just goes to show that they do not cook when they're smoking. It'll stay semi-soft in the middle. So however you like them, that's how you can make them. Delicious. Well, gonna have me a snack.